Hello. Welcome. Are you seeing a jinja2.exceptions.TemplateNotFound index.html error in your Flask app? It's a common problem. This video will help you fix it. Let's dive right in. First, let's understand the error. The error, jinja2.exceptions.TemplateNotFound index.html, means Flask can't find your index.html file. Flask uses Jinja2 to render HTML templates. If it can't find the template, it throws this error. There are several reasons why this might happen. The most common reason is the template file isn't in the correct directory. Flask, by default, looks for templates in a folder named Templates at the root of your application. So, create a folder named Templates in the same directory as your app.py file, or the main file that initiates your Flask application. Make sure your index.html file is inside this templates folder. This is the first thing to check. Next, double-check the path in your Flask code. The code that renders the template probably looks something like render_template, index.html. Ensure you are only specifying the file name. Flask assumes it's in the templates directory. Avoid using absolute paths or relative paths like /templates/index.html. Just use the file name index.html. Sometimes, there may be a typo in the file name within your Python code. Ensure that the file name within render_template function matches the actual file name of your HTML file, paying attention to the case sensitivity. File name should match exactly. Another reason could be related to how your Flask application is structured, especially in larger projects. You might be using blueprints to organize different parts of your application. If you are using blueprints, ensure your templates folder is correctly configured within the blueprint. You might need to specify the template_folder argument when creating the blueprint. This tells the blueprint where to find its templates. If you're using a more complex setup with multiple modules, double-check your import paths. Sometimes, an incorrect import can cause Flask to look in the wrong location for the templates folder. If your application is running inside a Docker container, you need to ensure that the templates folder and the index.html file are copied into the container correctly. Double-check your Docker file to see if the files are being copied, and ensure that the working directory is correct. Another potential issue is environment variables. While less common for this specific error, incorrect environment variables can sometimes interfere with Flask's ability to locate templates. Check your environment variables if you've set any custom configurations for your Flask app. Finally, restart your Flask application after making any changes. Sometimes, the server doesn't automatically pick up the changes, and a restart is necessary to clear any cached information. Also, clear your browser's cache, or hard reload your browser, to ensure you're not seeing an old version of the page. That covers the main solutions for resolving the template not found error. I hope that helped you fix the issue. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it and subscribing for more Flask tutorials. Your support helps us create more content like this. Also, leave a comment if you have more questions.